Hi guys, good afternoon. So today's math lesson, we're going to be talking about which is longest and if something is longer or shorter. So I have three objects with me, and we talked about this right before we went on our break, that when we're measuring objects, the most important thing is that you line them up end by end. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to get a very clear idea of which is longer. So if I put my objects all at different things, it's going to be hard to decide which one is really longer and shorter. It's very obvious when I line them up. So if I put them end to end, I can clearly tell that the scissors are shorter than the marker, and that the marker is shorter than the scissors. And if I line everything up, you can see that the scissors are sticking out farther than all of the other objects. So, but it is important that we line them up end to end. That gives us a really good idea. So on your paper that you are doing today, they have already done that for you. They've already lined up the objects end to end, so you can clearly tell which one is longer than all of the other ones. So the biggest thing is that you're going to have a parent maybe read you these parts, and then you can decide if it's true or false. So let's go ahead and do the first one. It says the caterpillar is the longest. Well, if we look at this, we can definitely tell the caterpillar is longer than this little nail, and the caterpillar is longer than the toothbrush, so it is the longest. It goes out farther than the other two objects. So yes, that is true. Some of them are a little trickier, so you have to think a little bit more. It says the longest branch is on the top. Well, if I look at this, it looks like the one that is the longest is down here. So that is not the one on top. So that one would be false. All right. The other page that you needed to do today, this one you can use some string or cubes. So everyone has access to the Unifix cubes. I put a strip of the paper Unifix cubes in your baggie that had the crayons in it. So everybody has those. If you lost them, you can also access them on Google Classroom, and you can print them off. So I would use your cubes for this one. So it says, is the box shorter than the pencil? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to measure the box, see how many cubes long that is, and then measure the pencil and see how many cubes long that is, and then decide which one is shorter. So is the box shorter than the pencil? You have to answer yes or no. Then this one says, is the branch shorter than the toothbrush? So you're going to have to measure the branch and then measure the toothbrush and then put yes or no. So this one you will have to use the cubes for. And actually what I would probably do would be the easiest is to go ahead and measure all of the objects with your cubes and maybe just put underneath with a pencil, write how many cubes that is. And then that way that will help you probably go through this a little quicker. Okay, well you have two papers. They shouldn't take you very long. Hopefully you still have your paper cubes with you, but like I said, if you lost them, they are available on Google Classroom to print off again. And if you have any questions, have your mom or dad feel free to send me a dojo message or email me. Okay guys, have a good rest of your day. It's beautiful outside. The sun is shining. So after you're done with all of your work, make sure you go outside and play for a little bit. It's a great day. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.